Hello everyone, I am about to do my boxycharm unboxing for the month of, what month are we in? February. So I'm just actually doing this in my bed. So lighting, as usual, is probably pretty crappy. But yeah, don't judge my sheets. They have fake constellations on them. And that's a raccoon, because I love raccoons. Anyway. Enough rambling. So this is February's boxycharm. Okay. So this month it looks like maybe they didn't put the little value card in here, so I have no clue how much any of this stuff is worth because there's no value card. And usually they have the little bubble wrap around things to keep them safe. And also usually they have excuse me, I still have my allergies and cold. And usually they have this little foam back here. As you see, there's not, just to help protect it. Oh, they didn't do it this time. So anyway, this month we got some boxy sponges. I have no clue what the worth of these are. I don't know, maybe $20. I don't even use these kind of sponges, but whatever. Some kind of Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes, so a face wipe. Again, don't know the value of these things because they didn't bother to put a card. There's no card there. Next is the Facial Radiance Pads from Fab. Is it no? Oh, First Aid Beauty. Fab. Okay, that's their acronym. Got it. So basically another face wipe. It says Facial Radiance Pads. Helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten. Yeah, I don't know. Basically another face wipe, which I'm not a fan of those kind of things because you use them and then they're just gone, like quickly. They last like a month, and to me that's just not something I want. That would be the equivalent of boxycharm sending me a roll of toilet paper. Well, yes, I'm gonna use it, but does that mean I'm happy with getting something like that in a subscription box? Like that? Like these two things right here and right here? No. Anyway, back to it. I got the Sayete London Everyday Vacay. So it is a coconut setting powder. Again, I don't use setting powder even if I use foundation, or I usually actually use just powder, but not a setting powder. So I probably won't use this. The one thing that was my choice that I got to choose for my boxy this month. High Performance Reshaping Serum. This is by Kate Somerville. This is supposed to be $100. That's the retail for it. K Active Concentrates. Don't know exactly what K means. Well, I mean, K is potassium. But anyway, I don't know what it means in this product. Biomimicking peptides. Smooth and firm. Lissé and Wachramit. My French is horrible. 30 ml usually retails for $100. I do know that because this is something that I wanted because of the price point. So, oddly enough, I got it, and there's this weird little thing on the box. I don't know what that is. But, if you flip it over, courtesy of Kate Somerville for boxycharm. So I'm not sure what that means. If this was going to expire, I wouldn't be surprised if you start seeing this turn up at like TJ Maxx or something, but I mean, I'm happy to have this, so I'm not being totally ungrateful, but at least they recycle and they're cruelty free. I have no clue what the book means or this one, so if somebody knows what those two symbols mean, feel free to comment down below and let me know. I actually Googled before what those two had meant in the past for different things I received. I can't find anything on it, so yeah. But I do cruelty-free and recycling, which makes me happy. I do love supporting companies that recycle everything. So I'm assuming this box is recycled. The little packaging that it's in, the glass, it's glass. I'm assuming that this is all recycled also. So that's cool. I like things that are recycled. It makes me happy. If you're going to use it, you're going to make something, why not use recycled things? Why can't the whole entire industry just make everything possible from recycled? Like this? This one. I don't think I see. Okay, this has whatever the 12M means. But yeah, this is not recycled. When they easily could have made this out of recycled plastic. Now, the fact of them using these pads, if they would have been recycled, that would have been kind of weird. I wouldn't want to put that on my face. But just saying, why can't places recycle more? I don't know. It just really bothers me. Alright, so. Oh, let's check this out. Okay, it is cruelty-free. EAC, whatever that means. Yeah, okay, so this one is cruelty-free brand. So I can support brands that are cruelty-free. I tend not to buy things anymore, excuse me, that are not cruelty-free. So I'm just going to rant for a quick second here about this most boxycharm. I think I'm done with it. I think I'm going to cancel all of my boxy. I really love this. This, I would never ever buy something like this. I'm going to use it because it's here. Same with this. I would never ever use this either, but I'm going to use it because it's here. I don't like to waste it, so I'm going to use those two. As far as the Luxie sponge set and the Everyday Vacay setting powder, I'm not going to use these two. So these are actually going to end up going on my Poshmark or on my Mercari. I will put the links down below for those two if you guys want to purchase them. Also, if you've never had Mercari or Poshmark, you get a $10 credit when you sign up. And I also get $10. So just thought I'd put that out there. So yeah, I'm just not happy with this. I feel like the last few boxycharm things have been horrible. And not only that, I mean, you get like 1 or 2 items that are really cool, but then it's not worth the $25 just to have more things collecting that you're not going to use. Even if you are going to sell them, it's not like I'm going to list these tomorrow and then they're just going to be gone. It might sit there for like 2 or 3 months. So that's things I have in my makeup drawer that I don't have space for. So I also feel that they've just been very hit or miss lately. There's also a lot of rumors going around with them about companies making cheaper product for us in the boxycharm. For instance, how this says here. So for courtesy of Kate Somerville for boxycharm, makes me think that maybe they're doing lower quality things. There is some things that would be made in, for instance, Italy. I can't remember what palette it is that just came out. I want to say it's the Iconic. Generally is made in Italy. The one people received was made in the People's Republic of China. So it makes you wonder, where are they getting these things? I don't think that they're knockoffs. But I do think these companies that are agreeing to, oh yeah, we'll give you things for boxycharm, give us whatever, $100,000. Because believe me, these companies aren't giving this stuff for free. The owners of boxycharm have to purchase this stuff. Because they are purchasing it in bulk, they get a much cheaper price. But then these companies, I don't know if boxycharm is being told this or not, but these companies are making a cheaper product over in China. And I'm not knocking the fact that I have a lot of good makeup brands that come from China. Actually, Urban Decay is made in China. Don't know if people know this or not, but they are made in China. But I love my Urban Decay, so it's nothing against that. It's just the fact that if you are gonna say that this is this product and then you're giving us a cheaper made version, that actually does no good. Like that damage your reputation for that company. So for instance, let's say this turns out that it was made of cheaper product when normally it goes for $100. Not only did boxycharm say this is worth $100 when it's actually not, because this company used cheaper shortcuts to make it, quality control also would be an issue. So that's doing no good for this company if that was the case. Because I'm going to use this and it's not going to be as good and I'm probably not going to go and repurchase it. But let's say I love it. It makes my skin just perfect because they use good quality ingredients. I'm going to repurchase it. Even if it's $100, I will repurchase it if it makes my skin good. So that's just my little rant here. That's all. Anyway, this is February's boxycharm review. And I plan on doing another video probably tomorrow or Friday. Something totally different. I said, if you follow me, it's going to be a lot of randomness on my channel. You know, you'll get nature, you'll get things like that on my channel. You're going to get makeup. But I decided to do something a little different. So I'm actually working on a video about coronavirus because, as you know, I have the medical background and that's things that interest me. So I'm going to do a video on that. It's going to be as factual as possible. I don't want to, oh, there's my cat. He decided to jump in and he wants to check this out. But I decided to do a video on it, and it's going to try to be as much factual information as possible. I might do another video touching on the, there's my cat again, touching on conspiracy theories and stuff. But that's another one for later. So I wanted to do something different. I've been wanting to do this for like, I don't know, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So that's what I will do. And that's it. And my cat totally photobombed. Okay, well that's how we're ending it. Black screen. Done it. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And again, you're going to get a lot of random things with me. All right. Thank you. Like and subscribe.